We almost always have lime, gin, and simple syrup in our home bar. With these 3 ingredients, I can enjoy a gimlet pretty much anytime. My name is Riley, and this is Alchemix, the channel where we teach you how to create craft cocktails and improve your home bartending skills. When Carl and I go out for drinks, we gravitate towards house specialties a lot of the time. Recently, though, I've been getting into more classic cocktails. While out with a friend a while back, I decided to sample a gimlet. Now it's my go-to cocktail. Gimlets are great. They're one of the easiest drinks to make, which is excellent for me since I'm a beginner at this whole mixology thing. So I decided to make myself one at home. And after rolling his eyes at my enthusiasm, Carl walks me through his standard recipe. Some recipes call for 2 ingredients, roses, lime cordial, and gin. Carl prefers to use fresh lime juice, and I agree with him. So we replace the roses with fresh lime juice and simple syrup. Then I played mad scientist and made not 1, but 4 versions of the gimlet using the same ratios but different gins. I ended up with 3 pretty good gimlets and 1 I wouldn't make again. The takeaway from my experiment is this: if you like the gin you put in, you're going to like the gimlet it creates. For this video, I used my favorite version from that day. Blaum Brothers gin is floral and more coriander forward than many other gins. These flavor profiles are more juniper heavy. Coriander, also known as cilantro to Americans, complements lime as much as peanut butter does jelly, in my opinion. The traditional garnish of a lime wheel creates a simple yet elegant presentation for this classic cocktail. We hope you are inspired to make your own gimlet and that you enjoyed as much as I do. As always, thanks for visiting our channel and watching our recipe for the classic gimlet. We would appreciate a like and a subscribe to Alchemix. Come back every Tuesday for a new video. You can find more about each recipe on our website, alchemix.bar. The world is your martini glass. Shake things